the president is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces.
Precisely.
To be a commander-in-chief of the armed forces, it's not a joke.
Yes.
For your brother to be driving you,
Exactly.
it is not a joke.
Precisely.
You are reducing the bar. You are bringing the bar very low. Commander-in-chief of the armed forces. And today your brother is the one that drives you on official duty. And then I'm and nobody sees anything wrong with it.
Madam, I was a more carbon farmer at the TV, so Minumi no Eddie share media and some more idea him or social media and so and I made the ever some more. Now from last week Nemo, a yes match Nemo, and a yan and yes, say a voter region, a po, I hear a match, say a farmer for Binimo more honum. I will be a more better crown. I shall say I had the amount of my general bedi, now I had the pan, then no any who say you are John Jomani Mahama and Dom, Eco PM honum, I just say Okosla or more. A year sui a far or more, not just a woman who are cano, or Cosra or more a day in me, and never so echo ma or more. Nanone who say a year Ibrahim Mahama, there is or no, and not old year at John Mahama, not Shanya or the Eco PMO, ever honum. Nene over the Chefifa, Abekasa, Eddie Afahon, say on Tiasia crack, send the same one tea. And I was say, ye jai Ibrahim Mahama, now no mum and a 3 year at John Mahama. And then Sebri and Okatakyie at the 2 jar in TV Emra.
Serious note. Where Ibrahim Mahama, Daniel Kuachika Kra, not Yansha Jenahaya, Debbie Jenaha Babia, the seal of the president, Ebo, our carnival. So Ibrahim Mahama, and a president of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama. Oko official duty to be a flood nesi wo a voter region. First year, Jinaha. Now, surprisingly, President Nisi, Ibrahim Mahama, and Anna air driving the presidential car. That is a beautiful question. And is it Ghana for you have been any more hard? So we discuss issues on political lines. So it's not even no more about the safety of the president. It is no more about the president being a national asset, and for that matter, your brother cannot be doing these things.
Exactly so.
When you are president of the Republic of America, Federal Republic of America, one can say man drive or personal man drive. And then Ibrahim Mahama and they're driving the president of the Republic in an official car. Now, question you must say, Ibrahim Mahama, or can a official protection guide or protection force of the president? Accident. Yebusa question say Ibrahim Mahama, or can national security detail of the president? Assistance no bian kanchire. Say Ibrahim Mahama a part of the presidential guide or presidential force. Obian kanchire. Say Ibrahim Mahama a part of national security detail of the president. Obian kanchire. Say Ibrahim Mahama you can the chauffeur, the national chauffeur, because you are driving president, or you well-trained chauffeur. You can chauffeur. President or driving. And they say Ibrahim Mahama, and you see chauffeurs, you were more than 1, 2, 3 for the president. So at every given point, there is a chauffeur of the nation that is supposed to drive the president of the republic.
Exactly.
And you didn't see. I didn't see. The president of the Republic of Ghana. The brother and they're driving on. And wait, me who's a comment in the year. And a very humble brother, very humble rich man. How my baby? Say Ibrahim Mahama president a baby. No a person would do a year convoy next year. And no right. In any other civilized jurisdiction, we don't do that. By normalizing it is also the convoy next year. Fire, but said to drive the president of the republic in a presidential car, and the people don't see anything wrong with it.
Precisely.
So president you move here, the security detail, even convoy, every car that is supposed to be in the convoy, national security is supposed to have a detail of it. It's all there is the motorcade of the president. Our president in the motorcade, a big bat say arrowhead. Wamuya miansana omu dianimu, omuya advanced motorcade. I didn't see. Show run. Show no one for run no crime. Man, you know which voice.
Precisely so.
I go be. Set it the no. GBC the no. Webi. It's motorcade ni bedi kaba. Now if you are not advanced party riders in Swaba, president party riders, and son a state protocol, either say 1 or 2 cars aba, and son of the president's secretary aba. Now if you are the police or the military, the arrangement of civilized societies, because president movia, a threat is behind the back.
Precisely so.
It's your funny security in Niagara. It's before so people got a president came, so on their driving. The person must be a well-trained chauffeur of the state. I would me dictate even security threat to be bad with me dictate. How did we get here? Say Ibrahim Mahama no your brother, young country say, or no the chauffeur of the president, or no the president in the came or drive. Yana president per se Ibrahim Mahama joining one came no problem. President met me at Tinechiri. Now Ibrahim Mahama joining Wechiri. Now president in Eddie Camp at the front. At every given point, the Eddie Camp must be in front. Osha, one of the Eddie Camp no Ibrahim Echi. Ibrahim see no see. How did we get here? And we complain about friends and family. Your mama saw reset it. When you reset no, the optics. When you reset no. And it is not about Ibrahim Mahama woni sika na woni sika. It is not about Ibrahim Mahama humble and now humble. It is about the right practices of a civilized societies.
Precisely so.
Call. And then you do her. Obakai president go for accident to ya. Ya normalizing your maybe. When him say president na kure kwa. Ne car na see oni bo animu. Ye wo mienu. Ba ko ya decoy. And a president say be ya in case somebody wants to even attack. And also mo ko drew baby. Na say president car na say na bibia. Ye wo another one looking like the president own which he will sit in.
Exactly.
Until we take all these precautions to safeguard the president. More often than not, President Sebano, instead don't forget, the president is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces.
Precisely.
To be a commander-in-chief of the armed forces, it's not a joke. For your brother to be driving you, it is not a joke.
Precisely.
You are reducing the bar. You are bringing the bar very low. Commander-in-chief of the armed forces. And today your brother is the one that drives you on official duty. And then I'm and nobody sees anything wrong with it. President go 4 times. One or say be or money accident to a year your pay be because now you normalize say president yet me man crofo di actually ordinarily sa party boys no omkrakra car no it's not even right. Kofi, do you know that even the president in Memovia, I have a presidential convoys across the world. Almost even red car, almost a white car, almost a green car, no lighted car near money won't because of security reasons.
Precisely so.
And then they reduce the bar so low, say President Mahama and driving when he's going on official duty. As what? The aide camp. As what? Yabeka chere. Say Ibrahim Mahama and no the chauffeur of the president ana. Ati abana no. Eti me ya to anu. Eti maban masesa niema na maban masesa. To ayi nim to sa we nim. Obi. Maban masesa niema na we research ni. Adi abana no. Adi an ye ntantan sa. Obi. Under no circumstance should the president be allowed and I know neba I will Kenya and official and and the Ghanaian people don't see anything wrong with it because you see Ibrahim Mahama Wiska. It is not about Wiska now. But any serious jurisdiction, we don't do this. You can't do it.
Exactly.
Even Wankasa, President of America, Yama won't drive it. Even when you are done with your service, you will not be allowed to drive.
Exactly. So,
for security reasons.
Asset to the nation.
Asset to the nation. Now be President of the Republic. That is how come the moment you to baby, security sano, na national security take over. A good yes, concept, sir. We trivialize issues in this country for nothing.
More
You're
fire.
right. And you're right too. And you're right. We should not normalize it.
Exactly.
And you're right anywhere. Nowhere.
Yeah, the memo name baffle.
President go 4 times. How you may normalizing a money accident or pebia? Because I was a guy, because he felt entitled to say, "A president convoy qua, else will come." That is how come a president convoy call this speed the Bible remua. President because when you do that, and you train securities of the president who they think it's a threat. But Nigeria can't come shoot to the court. What I say? Say Ibrahim, your president, brother. It is one in a memo with him. Who is he to me and
the president,
the family and friends in your bini. The president, even it's a president, a year on one private function. He cannot be allowed. Mr. President, this is your wish, but we cannot allow you. That is how serious nations they do.
Exactly.
By the idea, you didn't know by your woody. You better share the shirt, your channel, or you're humble. No, driving a brother. You didn't know woo. How did we get here? You're normalizing your matan time. It's you're not a gabi that couldn't driving a muya. Tikambayoki. I don't know. But they can't say in politics. Optics is as important. Perception is as important as the reality.
Precisely.
You know, let me go there. In politics, it is not just about the reality. So President Ibrahim Mahama bene na momemu. Oh, no two ways about it. We know. Obabo yenim so bene na momemu. Yenim ni nyina. But at the end of the day, obane na momemu mu akofi. Must the people see it? So brother it is a trite knowledge. So brother Ibrahim obene na mamemu mu appoint bisa. But must the people see it? Optics.
Precisely.
More fire.
Na president akoye party. No ama cameras nyina ankoda baby. Ni etwa ne nam. Yenim say president obaji wani.
More fire.
But for the good of the people, the optics.
More fire.
Tina na kufa ne hoyam ngwa santa nyama oye. Yetimi de be 100 cars. What is that? Every car of the president when he's moving, national security is supposed to take details of the car before he moves.
Precisely.
Concert here.
Abuti ansem bi Okatakyie Afrifa eka ye Afrifa ye Rajan Jomani Mahama ne kwa okopie mu e voter region no eno ho na yekukotie ye no mezi oso ba so ahye ma fofo enya bi enhwe me din e de akosi aboaje wa akumi de show sister tap send bo chiri dom na ye de eye kase boyi e de ebesomo makram
Mr. Mankwa me ofase wo say ni sika bane de awie ni project no eso de bia me ofase ka mane wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap send nka
no so ne de
tap send dey easy fast and secured way ubetimi send sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa awo be ne say
kire ne se won ko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV nshim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa akofre na ka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gene ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi use sika e wo wallet no tie
eni set say use momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send that na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no